Welcome to ProFed's Accessibility and Language tool. To get started, visit profedcu.org and select the Accessibility and Language button. This tool is designed to help make your online experience more accessible and personalized. In this video, we'll highlight 4 key features: screen reading support, 130+ language options, customizable styling, and reading aids. With screen reading support, simply hover over website content and press play to have text read aloud. You can easily navigate through the content at your own pace. The translation tool lets you instantly translate website content into more than 130 languages, so you can access information in the language that works best for you. The toolbar also offers customizable styling options, including font size adjustments, focus text, and color themes, so you can create a viewing experience that suits your preferences. Finally, reading aids such as the reading ruler, screen mask, dictionary, simplify content, and page summarizer can help improve focus, comprehension, and navigation. At ProFed, we're committed to providing an accessible and inclusive digital experience for everyone. We've only scratched the surface of the accessibility and language tool's capabilities. To give it a try, visit profedcu.org and select the Accessibility and Language button to explore the features and settings that work best for you.